Okay, guys, in this video here, I'm gonna do a post here, and we're gonna build onto a little bit, in terms of some of the things that we do when we post an article or a blog post on our page. So I'm gonna go in here, and I'm already logged in to the back office, and I'm gonna say Add New under Posts, and I've got a post here that I've written, and I'm going to title this post Financial Basics. All right, and I want to make sure that I'm in visual, not text. So I'm going to switch this over to visual. I am going to copy my article here. First, I'm going to upload an image. Okay, so one of the things I do when we upload an image, I always like to name it after the name of my article, something relevant. Don't get too crazy, don't overthink it. Right now, this is named the what my article's name. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste it in the alt text area here. Okay, this is something that Google likes to see. So whatever that title is, as long as you renamed it, it's not some crazy numbers or whatever. Name it, put your name in there. Put the name of your article. Put Financial Empowerment Network in there. Something that's relevant to what we're doing here. Okay. Change my image size to medium. Insert into page. I'm going to center this. All right, now I'm going to paste my article in here. And I'm going to come in here and fix my spacing, because obviously the spacing's all messed up. I'm just going to delete out. And when I did that, it created some hyperlink there. I'm going to take that out of there. Okay, great. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a category. Here's my categories here on the side. You always want to put your article in a category. We'll put it under personal finance. And then at the bottom of this article, one of the things that you guys can start doing is linking to your profile page. So in other words, if I go to the team page, and I click on my profile here, it's going to pull up the link to my URL for my bio page. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that link. I'm going to go back to my article, and I'm going to put a little call to action here for more information. Okay. So the idea again is to get them to, once they've gone through the article, to click this link to go over to your profile page. Maybe there's a video on there. We did an interview, or there's information that you put on there with regard to your profile, your location. Obviously, it has your phone number and all your other links to all your other social media pages. Okay. So that's something that you want to start doing. So I've added the category. I've added the link. Now I'm going to put some tags in here, okay? And one thing that you can do is you can choose from most used tags. There may be some tags in here because we started adding these to the different articles, but you want to do this to tag the articles. Obviously, credit and credit score are some of the more prominent articles that have been written. So I'm going to look on the list here and see if there's anything I might put on here: debt elimination. I'm going to put in here financial planning. What you want to do is you want to put three tags. I'm going to put in here financial tips. Okay, done. All right, so you have the option of adding. I would take a look at the list, see if there's anything there that's relevant to what your article's about. Click it, it'll automatically add it. You can hit on the X if you had something that you don't want to have there, and you can remove it, or you can add new tags. But before you add a new tag, take a look to see what's there. All right, so I got the category, I got a link to my profile, got the tags on there. Now the final step here is this area down here at the bottom under what's called the WordPress SEO by Yoast. This is a way to help the search engines understand what your article is about. Okay, so my focus keyword might be financial basics, which is actually the title of my article. Now, what you saw happen here was it says your focus keywords are found in the article heading, page title. It's not in the URL. It's in the content 5 times, and it's in the meta description 1 time. Okay. My SEO title is financial basics. I'm going to write in the meta description. What I like to do is you can write something separate and unique, or you can copy a piece of maybe one sentence of the beginning of your article. And this is just to give a snippet to the viewer when they're searching through Google to know what your article is about, because this is what they're going to see in the search results. Financial basics. Many Americans today are still recovering from recession 2008 and have begun to take steps towards learning some financial basics. And it tells you how many characters you have available here. The limit is 156 characters. I got 20 characters left, so I might see if I can put something else in here. I don't want to. I want to try to stay. I don't want to go over that limit. Okay, so boom. So that's what I'm going to put in there. I got 3 characters left. I'm good. You don't need to put anything in the meta keywords. Those are no longer relevant. Okay, so now again, I've got my picture in here, my image. I've got my category selected. I've got some tags in here, and I've got some information in the WordPress SEO by Yoast. Okay, and that's all you really need to do. Don't overthink this stuff. And now I'm going to hit publish. And I forgot to do one last thing, which, by the way, is something that everybody is kind of missing here, is you want to come down here, even though I have an image here in the article, I want to come down here and say set featured image, because that's what's going to create the little thumbnail photo that shows up on the blog page. I'm going to insert that. Then I'm going to update again. All right. So since I put this in the category personal finance, you see that it added that to the URL here, personal finance, because again, the URL is the main address for the page or for the site. Then this is the category, and then this is the title of your article. So it's put this article in the personal finance category, and the name of the article is Financial Basics. And I'm done at that point. So now I'm going to go over to the site, take a look at it, make sure it looks okay. I'm going to go to the FEN blog. And there's my article. Let's go check it out. Scroll down, everything looks good. There's the link to my profile page. So if somebody comes here, they read it, they like what they see, they're interested in knowing more, they'll click on that link, and that didn't work. So I got to go back in and see why. Oh, I know what happened. All right, so I got to go in and edit that. And that's why it's important to check your links, make sure that they are working. Go back in here. I'm going to highlight that link, go back up here, take a look to see what the link is. And actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back here to my profile again, copy that link, put it in here. Okay, let's do that again. I'm going to highlight my link, go back here, paste it in here. I'm going to go back and take a look. It should be good. Open the link, put my name in here, say add link, update. I'll go take a look at this post to make sure the link is working now. And we're good. So it took me right to my profile page, okay? So I just had to make sure I had something in there that was messing it up. Check one other thing. See all that spacing in there? I want to get rid of all that spacing. I think I've got some extra spacing here in the bottom. Yeah, I'm going to delete all this. So all that spacing that I had in here that you were seeing on the page was because of this here. So I want to make sure that I delete all that. Bring everything down here nice and tight. And that was because I copied that article from Word. Okay, so now we're good. So now there's no, all that extra white space is gone. These are just things you want to check when you're doing this, just to make sure everything looks good, everything's working. And again, adding this other information here is going to optimize your article. So let's go here. Let's take a look at this post one more time. And we're good. Got rid of all the empty space down here. Okay. So that's what we do. And just again, just a brief walkthrough. Put your article in here. Put your image in here. Put your category. 3 tags. Something that's relevant to your article, or choose from the existing tags. If you see something there, pick it. Make sure you add your featured post. Put in the name of your article here. Don't worry about this. It should be the same thing as this word here. Usually is what shows up right here. Copy that first line from your article. You don't have to worry about putting anything in the meta tag keyword. And again, put that link at the bottom, linking to for more information on your article, whatever it is, or for more information. If you'd like to contact me directly, click this link here to go to my profile page, put the link in there, and then you're good to go. All right, so that took me a total of, well, it took me about 20 minutes. Not too bad. So, when you're writing your article, so you're maybe talking, and if you do everything right the first time, obviously I had to go back and fix a couple things here. But if you're writing your article and making your post, typically it's a 15-minute process. Okay, writing your article might be 15-20 minutes. Putting your post in another 15 minutes, maybe at the most. Unless everything works out perfect, then you're done in 5 minutes. So half hour, 45-minute time frame max. Okay. All right. If you have any questions, give me a buzz, and we will see you on the next video.